Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Crypto and Mining Updates 2025. So Athene has just released another biggest airdrop of the year, and you can find it on their main Telegram channels. And here's the update. There's a reward around 172,600,000 ATN airdrop to be rewarded. And okay, let's go through the airdrop. So biggest airdrop of the year. To celebrate ATN official migrating to BEB20 network, Athene Network and MEXC are bringing you 3 massive airdrop events. We all know that on the previous days, Athene shifted from its network, which was Ethereum, to this new network, which is BEB20. And then after the update on switching networks, they posted this another update here, Athene on MEXC deposit and all that stuff. It's like they were having something cooking, and yeah, the thing which they were cooking was this biggest airdrop of the year. So let's go on the airdrop, and I'll take you through how you can also participate on the airdrop to get this big share of 172,600,000 ATN airdrop to be rewarded. So okay, MEXC are bringing you 3 massive airdrop events. And okay, and the events here, the 3 events. 1, deposit to share 60 million ATN. I think here we are required to deposit for us to earn a share of 60 million ATN. Then on the second airdrop, trade on spot to share 90 million ATN. Then the third airdrop is refer to earn a share of the 22,600,000 ATN. So okay, for us to be eligible, or for us to have a share of the airdrop, we have to do this task, and the 3 tasks are here. You have to deposit to share 60 million ATN. 2, trade on spot to share 90 million ATN. Then 3, you have to refer to earn a share of the 22,600,000 ATN. Let's head on and see more of the airdrop. Okay, here's the blog of the airdrop. 172.6 million ATN airdrop on MEXC, the biggest ATN party ever. Then Athene Network is throwing a huge celebration on MEXC, and they are giving away a massive 172,600,000 ATN in reward. This is a full-on celebration designed to welcome new users, reward loyal traders, and grow the ATN community worldwide. So ATN and MEXC have decided to bring this reward to grow the ATN community worldwide and reward loyal users of the ATN. The event runs from August 12th, 2025, which is today, 10 UTC, to August 26th, 2025, 10 UTC. This is around how many days? This is around 24 days. So we have 24 days to have a share of the 172.6 million ATN. Okay, table of content. Event 1, deposit to earn, new users only. So the first event is only exclusive for new users only. Deposit to earn the share of the 60 million, right? Then event 2, trade, spot, and share the reward. 2.1 task for new users, 2.2 task for everyone. So these tasks have been categorized into 2.1 and 2.2. 2.1 is for new users and 2.2 is for everyone. Then event 3, refer and earn together. So event 3 isn't excluded for everyone. You can join it whether you are a long time or you are new users, and you also take a share of the 172.6 million ATN airdrop. Then 4 important things you should know before joining the event, then the final tips. So okay, now let's head on to the event one by one and show how one can participate in the event and what you must know on the event. So the event 1 was event 1, deposit to earn the airdrop, or event 1, deposit to earn, and it's only exclusive for new users. So all users, please head on to the next airdrop event. So event 1 is to deposit and earn for new users. If you are new to MEXC, then this is the easiest way to join the party. Simply register an account. So when you click on this link, so don't worry, I'll provide everything on the description of the video. So go down to the description of the video and you'll find these. So when you click on this link, it will take you to MEXC, where you sign up. If you are a new user, or if you don't have this account, just click there, sign up, or if you have recently signed up, just click on there, then get into your account. After getting into your account, make a net deposit of at least 600 ATN or 100 USDC or 100 USDT. So after creating the new account, you are required to make at least these three deposits: 600,000 ATN or 100 USDT or 100 USDC. So after creating your account successfully, you have now to head on to the deposit section. Head on and click on deposit. So this is how to participate the first event of the new users. Then when you click on deposit, you can see you have the option for USDT. Now we are required to deposit USDT, 100 USDT. So you can proceed to deposit 100 USDT into your wallet, or deposit USDC. So just search USDC, then hit on search. Sorry, I think it's not that way. Yeah, that's the correct way. USDC, this. So you select that. You also deposit 100 USDC. Also, you are also required to deposit ATN. So search on ATN, that coin. So also deposit ATN 60,000 ATN. So you can choose deposit any of the three. You just need to deposit one. You don't need to deposit all of them. You just need to deposit either 60,000 ATN or you deposit 100 USDT or 100 USDC, and you'll have a chance to share the or you will share the 60 million airdrop of ATN to be rewarded. So that's how you do it. First event. Now let's go back and check on the other events. So okay, task 1, okay, 60 reward cap. Also, the reward is capped to the first 1,000 people. So this is a limited event. After 1,000 people deposit the required or participate on this task, they won't be taking any more. So the earlier the better. Okay, that's for task 1. I hope you are good with task 1. Now let's head on to task 2. So task 2 is for everyone. It is not limited to new users or anything. So what's in task 2? If you trade at least 1,000 USDT worth of ATN/USDT pair spot during the event, you'll get a proportional share of 30 million ATN based on your trading volume compared to the total. The maximum individual reward here is 3 million ATN. So basically, this, whether you participate, as long as you participate, you already have a ticket of 3 million ATN as reward in your wallet. So this is the best event ever. So in this event, you just have to participate. When you just participate in this event, you get already a share of 3 million ATN. You can see that's the point they mean here. The maximum individual reward here is 3 million ATN. It's okay. If you trade at least 1,000 USDT worth of ATN stock this pair, you'll get a proportional share of 30 million ATN. So let me show you how you do that. So on your MEXC app, come and search for this pair, ATN/USDT. ATN/USDT pair. This is the pair. Sorry, let me go back. So this is the pair. So come and click on ATN/USDT. Then it will take you directly to the market. ATN/USDT pair. So this is the pair. So what you are required here, you are required to trade at least 1,000 worth of USDT in this pair. So you can just deposit USDT, then come and trade it on the ATN/USDT. You just have to trade. You can just deposit your trade, come and buy the coin here, wait for a few seconds, then get out of the coin. So you just have to participate, and when you just participate, you get a share of that said 3 million ATN per individual. So yeah, come and trade at least 1000 USDT worth of USDT on this pair of ATN stroke USDT. So that's for the second event. So let's head on back, and remember, it's for everyone. Anyone can join it, and this I don't think it's limited. There is no limit capped here, so this is just free. Then we also have event 3, refer and earn together. This one's all about inviting friends to join. When someone signs up through your referral link or code, completes KYC and participates in either event 1 or event 2, it counts as a successful referral. So it doesn't just mean only referring, it means you have to refer the complete KYC, you have to refer using your link, the complete KYC, and also participate in either of event 1 or event 2. That is what counts as a successful referral. Then for each referral, both you and your friend or your referee will receive 60,000 ATN. You can earn up to 600,000 ATN through referrals during the campaign. Remember, you need to have registered for the event before your referrals are counted. So you have to register for the event, then use a referral link. So let me show you where you can get a referral link. On your homepage of the MEXC app, come and click on referral there. So let me click on referral once more. Then you have an option of invite friends. So this is your referral code and your referral link here. So copy this and share to your friends after you have joined event. And remember, they have to create join the MEXC app using your referral link, complete KYC, and participate in either of the 2 events. Event 1, which was for the newbies of depositing, then event 2, which was for everyone, which was for trading more than 1000 USDT stroke ATN. So either of the 2, they must do them for them to count as complete referral. So basically, and after him joining, both of you are going to get this reward of 60,000 ATN, and also you can earn up to this amount of ATN, 600,000 ATN, through referrals during the campaign. Remember, during the campaign. So basically, that's all about the big airdrop Athene has released just now. We also have these important things to know before joining the event. So before you jump in, it's worth taking a moment to understand the rules and eligibility criteria. Knowing these in advance will save you from missing out on rewards or even getting disqualified. Market makers, institutional accounts, and sub-accounts can't participate. The system will track your deposit and trades from the moment the event begins, not from when you register. Rewards will be airdropped to your spot wallet within 10 business days after the campaign. So don't wait for the rewards immediately. You have to wait for around 10 business days for the rewards to be deposited in your spot wallet. Any attempt to manipulate the system, like wash trading, bulk account creation, self-trading, or market manipulation, will result in disqualification. So those doing wash trading, if you want to do bulk account creation for you to get massive rewards, if you want to do just self-trading or you want to manipulate the market, it will result in disqualification of the event or for the airdrop for you. MEXC reserve the rights to change or cancel the event without notice, and participation is entirely voluntary. None of these shall be considered investment advice. So let me repeat that. None of these should be considered investment advice. So this is not an investment, this is an airdrop. And it's all voluntary, you're not forced to do it. Final tips, register early to secure your spot in the limited first come first served. So we saw that on the first event that it was only for the 1000 first comers. So register early because first come first served are rewards, and aim for the easiest goals first, especially if you're a new users. If you trade actively, task 2 could be your ticket to a much bigger prize. So that is a hint there. So it means that task 2 kinda holds a bigger price compared to task 1 and relatively task 3. So yeah, if you are a new user, do task 1. If you trade actively, just hop on to task 2 to get the much bigger prize. Don't forget the referral program. It's a simple way to multiply your rewards while helping friends join the fun. Then we have the link there. You can register an account through this special link to get extra rewards for trading ATN during the event. Stake your ATN on that, and basically that's it on the latest update on Athene. So yeah, make sure you go onto their social platforms, check on the events. If you haven't understood, you can head on and read for yourself. And basically that's it on this biggest airdrop of the year. If this video has helped you, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more crypto and mining updates.